Hello folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Justice and this is Mr. J Graphics. On today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to design citation, a citation. The citation is an award. It's an honoring award given to people who have done well when it comes to organization or has done well in a fellowship. And so this is what I'm actually going to design. Please do me a favor, if you're new here, subscribe to this channel and please don't forget to click on the like button. I've noticed that most of people like, they watch but they don't like. Please do me a favor and like this video for me, and also click on the notification bell. It's very important. Without much further ado, let's jump right into Photoshop. So I'll go down to Photoshop because I've already I have some kind of colors that I'm going to blend them to use for this work. So let's jump right. We'll go ahead and create I'm going to create my size. So directly to File, New, and I'm going to use this size 12 by 16. It's almost like A3 size. It's A3 size. So here we go. Now what I'm going to do is what I'm actually going to do is just give a background. So I'll go for my rectangle. Once rectangle, I just draw right here. Once you draw like that. It's very simple, as you can see there. Now I'll go for my colors. So I'll just shift this one right here and push this so that I can get the page very well. Now let me select that. And once I select this, I have to click right here like that. Okay. So this one is go, and I'm going to lock it so that it will not distract me. Now I'm going to create a layer. So I'll go directly to the layer and then just click on that, and I'll go for my brush tool. So I'll come directly to brush tool, and then I'm going to increase the size. And I'll go for my color right here. You can actually type the code in here to get the same color. Okay, so once you are doing a design, if you want to do the same thing or use the same color, you can just type this colors in here, the code right here, and you'll get the same color for your design. So I'll just click that, and I'm going to click right here. So once I'm done, I'm going to expand it a little bit like this. Then I'm going to unlock that one, lock that one as well. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create rectangle right here. I'm going to create rectangle right here, and now I'm going to change the color to this one. You see, so that one too, you can easily type the code right here and you're going to get the same color. All right, so that's very simple. Now what I have to do is I'm going to create a curve in there. So once you click, listen, before you can do this, after you select this, right, make sure it has been selected and click again. Once you click, you're going to see this properties right here. You click on this one, okay? After you click, you just hold this and push it down here, and this one will come down to this place, you understand? And then you push this right here to the top, okay? Now like that, and then you push this one right here. This one to come a little bit like that. And so, right. Okay, so once you've done this, what you have to do is duplicate this one by pressing Ctrl J on your keyboard. And now I'm going to change this color to this, and then push this one down and push this one up. So you select this one and this one and you push it up. You push it up like that. You get it? So here you go. Now you have to duplicate this one again, this one. So just press Ctrl J, or better still, you can just click and drag on top of the layer and it's going to create for you. And now we're going to change this one to white color, and then we're going to push it up. Going to push it up like that. You get it? And now I'm going to rotate this to this level. Right there. Okay. And stand somewhere right here, and then here, and draw something like this. So you are going to rotate it yourself, all right? So you know how to use your mouse. If you know how to use your mouse, this is going to be simple for you. So I'll just hold my Alt key and then click this and come back right here to this end, and I'm going to change the color to this one. So I just click here like that. Now I'm going to duplicate this, so I'll just press Control, you hold Control key and press Control key, all right, something like that. And now I'm going to change this to white, and I'm going to reduce it by pushing it right here. All right, once I'm done this, I'm going to duplicate this one, the blue one right here. Okay, the blue one, you just drag down here and then push it right here. Now I have to make sure that it's on top of the white, so I'll just drag it like that. So this is how it's going to be like. All right, now I'm going to create a layer mask here, so I'll just click on this one and I'll click layer mask. Once I'm done that, I'm going for my color. I'll just click on the color panel, the color foregrounds, and then I'll click on this here, and then I'll go for my brush tool. Once I go for my brush tool, and then I'll click right here. So I'm going to increase the size a little bit like that. Once I'm done that, I'm going to right click and create clipping mask so that it will go inside of the shape right here. And now after I'm done this, now I'm going to drag this floral vector right here. I'm going to drop that inside this one like that, and I'm going to increase the size. Once I increase the size, I have to place this one inside of this, so this one too will be like a clipping mask right here. Now after I'm done this, then I'm going for my details. Okay, so let's go for the details. Now what I have to do is go directly to my web browser, my Microsoft Word, because that is where I type all the details right there. So I'll just go ahead and copy that. All right, better still, you can copy right from here, and I'll come back to Photoshop, and then I'm going to paste it right here. So I'm going to create an ellipse right here. So just hold my shift key so that I'll get a perfect ellipse. Once I'm done, I'm going to copy, I'm going to paste the details right here. I'm going to change the color to this, and now I'm going to decrease the size a little bit like that, and now I'm going to delete this one right here like that. So I'm going to get a perfect in there, right? Just press some enter like that. So that is what I'm actually going to get. And now what I'm going to do is change some, make some changes in the text like that. So I'm going to change this to, kind of some fonts. This one cannot be read, so I have to choose a font that you can easily see and read it. Can you see this? Okay, it's not a big deal, man. So I guess I'm going to maintain this, and I'm going to choose this one to bold like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in, I have to close this, lock this one so that it will not distract me, right? Now I have to bring in the picture. So I'll go to where I really need a picture. So go back and I'll choose a picture that we are using for the, okay, so I'm going to choose a man of God. So choosing a man of God, like that. So that I'll place the picture right there. So here we go, right? So I'm going to place the name right there. I'm going to place the name right here. So citation of honor, Pastor Joseph Ajay, the head pastor. Okay, so this is actually where I'm going to place the name, right? So I have to push this one down a little bit. Push it down a little bit, right? So that I'll be able to get the name will be there. So let me lock this for any distraction. Okay, and then bring the picture right here, like that. And then let me see if I can place some costume design right there. Costume design, I made a tutorials about this costume design, so you can check that out. I'm going to leave that tutorial link in the description, costume shape tutorial in the description, so that you can check that out for yourself. Okay guys, so this is the end of this tutorials. I know you've learned a lot about this, and please, if you're new here, kindly do me a favor and subscribe to this channel. My name is Justice and this is Mr. J Graphics. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.